Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple yet powerful feature on Instagram: how to add a close friend on your PC. This feature allows you to share your stories with a select group of people, ensuring that only your closest friends can see them. Let's get started with the steps. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your feed, just like on the mobile app. Next, look for the More icon located on the left side menu of your screen. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on it to reveal additional options. After clicking the More icon, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, find the section labeled Close Friends. This is where you can add friends to your close friends list. Click on this option to proceed. You'll now see a list of your followers. Take a moment to browse through this list and choose a friend you'd like to add. There's no limit to how many people you can include, so feel free to curate your list according to who you want to share your stories with. Once you've selected your friends, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Now that you've added friends to your close friends list, you're all set. In conclusion, adding close friends on Instagram using your PC is straightforward and enhances your social media experience by allowing for more intimate sharing. Remember, only those on your close friends list will see the stories shared specifically with them. Enjoy connecting with your closest friends in a more private way.